isn't it? Yeah. Oh, all right.
Sorry. Did you want to go ahead? All right.
Okay, smarty. Because we trained him to do like that.
Yeah, because you warned us for the camera's sake.
I didn't have it open. Oh. We must have got William over here.
I'll be the first one. We try to show the people.
We have a nice big scratch there. Yeah, okay. That's a nice scratchy log.
What if they get splinters? Who takes them out?
They have volunteers for it. If you feel that, I mean like if you walk down and we feel the cold like the spot is crap, you will feel like very soft, not like a sand. How we call it sandpaper? Sandpaper, yeah. If you touch that like very soft. Yeah. Even like down here, we have like some small elephants. Look at it. So how old is the young one? We have two. The one coming with her mother, the elephant over there. Yeah. She's 3.5 years old.
Ooh, boy.
They say we did pretty good. We were throwing like that.
Yeah, you did. Well, I was getting on the top. Took you a while.
Uh-oh, be careful. Is this one gonna come spray us?
Look at dumped his boots out.
Oh, yeah.
She doesn't want to go to bed.
They want to go to bed?
She does.
To bathe.
To bed.
Oh, to bathe. They probably love it.
A bit that is a bit. Sometimes we just stay very long time in the river, and the boat got to call her up from the river. Time or some day they must go.
Like this one just came right up.
That is the
In
mother
and out.
of the girl. Name was Tom.
Well, that was a fast bath.
Well, I know, it's just like in and out and whoops it is.
No flop.
Sorry about that.
Could you have him to go out there again, please?
An elephant platform. Oh, they're bringing up more water. Okay, don't trust these guys. We know better than these guys. All right, that one's done. Some days you have a nap during the day.
That's the 72-year-old.
You're allowed to take this to the side.
Yeah, she'll bite. She will. She will eat. Here we go.
Shh. I want to get the sound.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Shh. One more.